and cold can knock anyone off their feet for several days. And trust us, nobody likes running nose, nasty sore throat and headaches. But it's quite difficult to protect yourself from the seasonal cold and flu. While everybody opts for medicines to get relief, there is one fruit juice that can help you get relief from this uncomfortable situation naturally and easily. Today's video will discuss this fruit juice help get relief from cough. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. The drink, tasty and full of nutrients. Pineapple juice may help to soothe symptoms of a cough or cold. As per study conducted in 2010, pineapple juice is quite effective in treating tuberculosis, as it helps to soothe the throat and dissolve mucus. Why is it effective? Reason: disease-fighting antioxidants. Pineapple is good for your digestion and can also boost immunity. This fruit contains a mixture of enzymes called bromelain, which is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. As per studies, bromelain can help with respiratory problems that are caused due to allergic and asthma. 3 ways to prepare pineapple juice. Method 1. Pineapple juice and honey. You only need 2 ingredients to prepare this drink: pineapple and honey. Take half a cup of warm pineapple juice and 1 tablespoon of honey in a bowl. Mix both of them nicely and drink it when it is slightly warm. Both honey and pineapple will soothe your throat and provide relief from cough. Method 2. Pineapple juice, honey, salt and pepper. Make a cup of pineapple juice and add half tablespoon of honey, a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper in it. Mix all these ingredients properly and drink this mixture 3 times a day. Method 3. Pineapple juice, honey, ginger, cayenne pepper and salt. This is a traditional remedy to get relief from cough and cold. Put 1 cup pineapple juice, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, 1 pinch salt and a little cayenne pepper in a blender. Blend all the ingredients and drink 1/4 of this mixture 3 times per day to get rid of sore throat. How you get relief from cough? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.